Welcome to my new general knowledge quiz with 25 questions. Let's get started. At what speed does Earth orbit the Sun? 107,000 kilometers per hour. In which year did Hurricane Katrina hit New Orleans? 2005. Which Canary Island has Las Palmas? Gran Canaria. SEPO is the security agency of which country? Sweden. Which British football club plays its home games at Selhurst Park? Crystal Palace. In which country do the railway companies Renfe and Irua operate? Spain. In which country is the world's highest waterfall? Venezuela. The airport of Orly is located in which city? Paris. In which city is the Taj Mahal located? Accra. How much does the Stanley Cup trophy weigh? 15.5 kilograms. Who was the first president of the United States? George Washington. Who composed the Moonlight Sonata? Beethoven. From which city does the band Imagine Dragons originate? Las Vegas. Bielefeld is a city in which country? Germany. Which country's capital is Chisinau? Moldova. In which country is the city of Plovdiv located? Bulgaria. Who was US President from 2009 to 2017? Barack Obama. Who played Rachel Green in the TV series Friends? Jennifer Aniston. What country's Easter delicacy is Mämmi? Finland. On which island is the peak Mount Kinabalu located? Borneo. How many land neighbors does Singapore have? 1. Which country's news agency is KCNA? North Korea. How many legs does an ant have? 6. In which century was the French Revolution? 18th century. In which city is the Gröna Lund amusement park located? Stockholm. That was all for today. Thank you for watching my video. Please leave a comment and subscribe to my channel.